Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to replace the battery in a Festina Extra watch step by step. Let's dive right in. Insert the watch case opener under the edge of the back cover and gently twist to unclip it from the watch case. Carefully remove the white plastic ring from the watch. You can gently use either a mini flathead screwdriver or a tweezers to pull it out. With tweezers, gently extract the old battery, ensuring you avoid damaging the watch mechanism. Place the replacement battery into the same spot as the old one. Use your fingers to press it firmly into place, ensuring it aligns properly with the gasket. This step ensures the new battery is correctly positioned. Use your fingers to insert the plastic white ring back into place. Fit the dies to the case press. The die that will fit the watch crystal should be placed on the bottom of the jaws, and the die from the watch back should be placed on the top part of the jaws. Use a plastic bag to protect the watch crystal from getting scratched. Place it between the bottom die and the watch crystal before putting the watch case down between dies. Grip the watch press handle and slowly press down to apply pressure to close the watch back. Be careful to not apply too much pressure, as it could damage the watch case or crystal. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting content.